Steve, Lauren, Republicans returning to the legislature next month, newly empowered by November's elections, regaining a supermajority in the Senate, one vote shy of that in the House. And so for the first time in 4 years, the GOP has a legitimate shot at overriding Governor Cooper's veto, which paves the way for new restrictions on abortion. It was all smiles the day after election night.
Today's a good day in North Carolina to be a Republican.
The top Republicans in the state House and Senate celebrating their wins. And in the wake of the Supreme Court decision sending the issue of abortion rights back to the states, the election triggered immediate concerns in Raleigh from abortion rights advocates like Tara Romano.
We are a few weeks out from the start of the 2023 General Assembly long session. Will abortion rights in North Carolina survive?
I mean, we are definitely going to be working to ensure that they do. We know something's going to be coming, and we anticipate it will come relatively early in the session.
State law currently restricts abortion after 20 weeks. Phil Berger, the top Republican in the Senate, told reporters over the summer he believes abortion should be banned after the first trimester, typically 13 weeks. House Speaker Tim Moore said previously he's in favor of even earlier restrictions after a heartbeat can be detected.
But I will tell you, for all intents and purposes, we have a governing supermajority. We have a handful of Democrats who work with us.
At the executive mansion, Governor Cooper, a supporter of abortion rights, bracing for a fight. How likely is it that Republicans in the House can lure 1, 2, 3 moderate Democrats over to override what I suspect would be a veto from you?
It's amazing how they're tossing around numbers of weeks when you're talking about women's reproductive freedom. I think North Carolina's law is strict enough.
Well, the North Carolina Values Coalition believes life begins at conception, but we're willing to compromise.
Ahead of next month's legislative session, Tammy Fitzgerald and her Christian Conservative Values Coalition lobbying for much stricter restrictions.
So women are coming across our borders to have abortions here in North Carolina, and that grieves me.
They'd like a total ban on abortion here, but lobbying for a so-called heartbeat ban. No abortion after 6 weeks.
It's a ban that is very early. A lot of people don't necessarily know they're pregnant by 6 weeks. It can be a functional ban on abortion.
We believe that there are some Democrats that will vote on this issue the right way because they know what the truth is and they have a conscience about what their faith tells them about life.
I don't know what kind of legislation that they're going to come up with, but I hope that we will be able to stop it.
Here's some more perspective tonight. 538 surveyed reported abortions in the 2 months prior to the Dobbs decision compared to the 2 months after, and it found for women in the South, North Carolina and Florida were the nearest states where abortion remained legal. Over 1,800 more abortions here during that period. So North Carolina, a safe haven now for abortion, but may not be for long.
Yeah, I remember seeing that research that North Carolina was at the top of the list for places that women were coming to seek that care.
And January 11th is when the legislature convenes here in Raleigh. We'll be watching it every step of the way.
All right, Joel Brown, thank you.